Okay, guys, here we are at the pet stand right over here. Whoa! That is so cool. Look at all these dogs. Wait, there's only 6 dogs, Ding Dong? Yeah, Ding Dong Ping. It's not really like there's like a bunch of dogs there. Oh, everybody's coming. Whoa! Look at all these dogs. Hey, look at all these cute dogs. Alright, guys, you guys got 10 minutes to find a dog that's nice. Go! Hey, let me see this one, Fluffy. Aw, so cute. Oh, he looks so cute. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough, Fluffy. What's going on, Fluffy V? This dog keeps licking me too much, Fluffy. Whoa, it's licking me too. Ow. Wish. What? Oh my god, I was expecting like cats here. It's just annoying dogs. Nobody wants dogs. Ow, what was that for? Be nice. Ugh. Ooh. Whoa, this looks so cool, ballet. I wonder if I could teach the dogs to ballet. Well, they look so snuggly as I am Magic Snuggy. Wow, look at them, trust. I'm gonna touch them. Oh, whoops. We're not getting that dog. Hey guys, what do you think about this dog? Shing. Wait, ballet ping. Jump. 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 Tippy toes. Ballet ping, stop. Wasn't that fun, ballet? Ballet ping, you cannot force animals to do ballet. But I could teach them how to do ballet. Not with your power, though. Oh. Here, and look, you made the dog feel exhausted. Hey guys, have you ever wondered what's inside this egg shimmer? I don't know, maybe it's I don't know. I could tell it's not a dog egg since dogs don't really lay eggs. Mostly birds do. What's going on over there? Oh wait, Trust Pig needs help. Oh, whoa. Look at these cute little doggies, Jola. Oh, this looks so cute. Let's just hope that one don't lick me too much like it did to Fluffy Ping. What's wrong, Bonnie Ping? Don't you want to play with the dogs, Teehee? No, I was hoping there's a cat, but there's no cats here, Bonnie. Oh, okay. Twinkle Ping, be nice, Teehee. Yeah, dude, be nice. Whatever, Twinkle. Ah. What happened, Fluffy Ping, Twinkle?
Wait, let's do that too,
I don't know. Go look for her yourself, Twinkle.
Ooh, that looks
Ballet. I don't want to get a dog anymore. Trust. Don't worry,
Chico
Trust
P.
Pain. Just
Chico
let
P.
let
Chico
him be.
P.
Just let him be.
Chico P. Chico P. Chico P. Chico P.
Hey, Jelly Ping. Yes, Twinkle Ping, Jelly. Do you think what dog do you think is better? That's what I'm looking for. I was talking to Ding Dong Ping though. No, you weren't, Ding Dong. Who cares, Jelly? This. This dog looks interesting. Wait, why are you staring at me? Can you sit? Ruff. Oh, you could sit. Roll over. Can you lay down? Ruff. Oh, you could lay down. Can you stand up? Ruff. Shake. Lay down. Not like that, but okay. Ruff. Hey, good boy or good girl. Okay, I don't know if you're a boy or a girl, but whoa, this dog looks so cool. Hi, Joa. Oh, is that some kind of thing dogs do, Joa? I don't know, Joel Ping. I never had a dog before. Ah! Oh, it's a dog. Wish. Don't lick me too much, though. This dog looks so cute. This dog looks so cute. Look, this one's coming to me. Aw, why is it no dog not coming to me, Sneaky? I want a dog to come to me. Wait, why are you growling at me? I didn't do anything to you. What's this? Wait, something is moving. Snuggy. Ooh. Do you want to be petted, Sneaky? Ah. Oh, you're so cute. Wait, I'm scared. What is this? Let me try and remove it. Wait, look, I'm scared, Snuggy. It's probably a dog, Fluffy. Let me just see, Fluffy. Ah! Nice thing. Ah! Oh, it's you, Sweet Pink. What are you scared about, Fluffy Pink? I don't know. It's over there. A dog? You're not a dog. You're not a dog. You don't even look like a dog. Ballet. Whoa, what's this? I don't know what kind of animal this is. Hey guys, do you know where Heartspring and Trustping is? Heartspring is over there. No, the other Heartspring. Oh, she's trying to calm Trustping down because he's scared of the dogs now. Oh. This one's so cute. I want this one.
Hey.
Yes, Sneaky Pink number 2.
Is Sneaky Pink
Sneaky Pink and who?
and Yoshi?
Yoshi's right there and Sneaky Pink's right there.
Oh, Sneaky Pink and Sneaky Pink.
Go ahead.
Sneaky Pink.
This is so cute. Lag, you scared me. What?
I got Pink.
Sneaky Pink number 2, be careful because I don't know what kind of animal that is. I'm scared of it, Snuggy. Yoshi. What happened, Yoshi? You're bored? Yoshi. I don't want to be back over there, Trust. Okay, you stay over here, and we'll continue looking at them. If we find the right one, then we go back. Okay. Okay, trust. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
What's this one, Joa? Do you want?
She's a chicky. She's a chicky.
Whoa, whoa, Joa. Huh? What happened, Sneaky Pink, Joa? I didn't call you. Oh, Sneaky Pink number 2 brought me to you. Well, I didn't call you, so okay. But do you need anything from me, Sneaky? Not really, Joa. Oh, okay. I'm gonna continue looking around. Hey, Joa Pink. Ding dong Pink. Do you think, what's that animal? Wait, what's that? That's not a dog. Guys, what's going on? Oh, Hearts Bing, help me, Snuggy. I don't know what kind of animal that is. What is that? That's not a dog, Snuggy. Oh, wait, you're right. That's not a dog. It's actually a beaver.
Abby.
A what? A beaver. Chew? Ow!
Abby.
What happened, Sneaky Ping?
Where's my dog? Where's
Huh?
my dog go? Where's my dog?
The dog?
Did I choose my dog?
Your dog? Look, Fluffy Pink has the dog, and Teeny Pink has the dog. Which Pink has a dog?
No,
The other Hearts Pink has a dog. And this one has a dog too. Everybody else has a dog.
No, that Didi died too. Dog.
She has a dog too? Oh yeah, it's true. You can play with the dogs if you want to find.
No.
Okay then.
Sorry,
5 minutes later. Okay, everybody, gather around, gather around. Sorry. Hey, Sweet Pink, can you do me a favor? Yeah? Do you think you can wake Yoshi up? Okay. Yoshi, wake up, wake up. Yoshi. Can you be with the others over there? Yoshi. Who votes for this dog? Nope. Who votes for this one? Oh God, no. Okay. What about this one? Oh, we want that one. We want that one. Okay, this one. What about any of these dogs? Oh,